abyss of responsibility decline, the proliferation of social degeneration. These scum have completely forsaken their responsibilities to society, others, and themselves. What's lamentable is that in the real-world scenario, the numbers of these irresponsible scum are continually on the rise. Society is gradually being eroded by these refuse, spreading like a malignant plague, devouring the conscience and trust within our community. Their inaction becomes a heavy shackle hindering societal progress, acting as disruptors to interpersonal relationships, and the development of civilization. This is not the fate of society, rather, it's a chosen path of irresponsibility by this group of scum. In this realm of irresponsibility, we witness the collapse of societal values, and the weakening of bonds between individuals. These scum are the fundamental cause of societal decline, and their proliferation deepens the darkness engulfing our society. We are not powerless, rather, our compromise with these irresponsible dregs is dismantling the entire societal system. The awakening of responsibility is the sole way to change this tragic trend. We need to refuse to be accomplices to these irresponsible scum and, through education and guidance, embed a sense of responsibility into the choices of each individual. Only then can we reshape a genuinely healthy and resilient society, breaking free from the abyss brought about by these individuals devoid of responsibility.